Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Epify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add YouTube video on Instagram story from PC. Without further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open a web browser. Here on address bar, search for instagram.com. It will directly navigate you to the login page where you can log in your Instagram account. For now, I have already logged in my Instagram account. So you can see many options on your left side where you can see create option. If you tap on create option, you can create a post where you can upload your reels, upload your photo or videos. But you can't see any option like story on this interface because this is a web-based application. So to use features like story, you need to get mobile-based application. For that, you have to install extension. You can install extension by going through the Chrome Web Store. Go to the new tab and search for Chrome Web Store. Go to the first link. It will navigate you to the Chrome Web Store. Here, search for Insist. This is the extension for your Instagram. I have already installed it. If you haven't installed it yet, then you can install it. As I have already installed this application, I can simply go back to my Instagram page and you can see the icon. This is for the extension icon. Simply tap on it and again tap on it. When you tap on it, your web-based Instagram will convert into the mobile-based Instagram. So now you can use story option. As you can see, there is your story and plus icon, which will let you to add your story. Now tap on it and select a photo or video that you want to add. Now here on right side you can see many features, but there is no features to add YouTube video or something like that. But if you want to go to the YouTube channel and copy the link of YouTube video, and if you want to post here, this is also not possible because there is no features. So if you want to add YouTube link or YouTube video on a story, then you can use Android version Instagram. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.